Under the initiatives of Chamber of Commerce in association with KSA, Rongkhang Minority Board, Satgaon Bazaar Committee and Assam State Rural Livelihoods Mission jointly organized an awareness program and distributed Indian national flag to all the commuters to mark the celebration of India's glorious completion of 75 years of independence. The awareness program was initiated by Chamber of Commerce in collaboration with several other students and social organizations. Michael Kramsa, Chairman of Commerce, informed that they had undertaken the task as per the direction of the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, to commemorate 75 years of India's independence.
Satgaon arong supilong nilitum labangso non kirangji tarik grip ho pai achiklo anodangte 75 years sipleng jubli pura bangso celebration nungji pu phansilitum labangso awareness ding pono lasikadlo kowe abang putin lapen ahem hiduk ke boy to angstame abangso non kirangji tarik hom pen tarik pon bangke ritula national flag Pangjarun Eji Mate Karun Eji Fancy Nitum Chamber Commercial Benthame Killing the Pono Lapena Koni.
Michael Kramsa, Chairman of Commerce, asked the citizens of Karbi Anglong to take part of the joyous celebration of the 75th Independence Day. The event was concluded successfully. Wiki-based report from Dongkamakam for Karbi Anglong Live.